This video, I'm going to teach you how to change units in Bluebeam. To do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is bluebeam.com. Once you're in there, you just need to get access from them by clicking on the This Get Started option, or you can also try it free by clicking on this button right here to get a 14-day free trial. You also have the option to buy the product directly from them by clicking on this Buy Now option. Now, if you already have access, proceed to click on this login option that will appear right here in this page in order to log in directly. So since I've already downloaded the program, let me head over and open it. I have right here this floor plan. Change the units of measurement. You just need to select a measurement onto the page right there. So let's click onto the select icon and then select right here which measurement you want to edit. Let's choose right here this one. And then after that, look for the Properties tab that should be able to appear right there. So in here, just right click and then click on Properties. Then after that, it should be able to open a window with this. We have in here the appearance, the colors, the layouts, and here we have this. So onto this case that will appear, you can just find the unit drop down available. So just locate it directly if it's available right here into this page. And also, just change right here the height, rotation. As for the options, if it's available right here into the tool set. Change right here the layout as well as the unit. And from in there, you can head over and then set it as a default if you would want to as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video will successfully help you out in changing units in Bluebeam. Thank you so much for watching.